Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. Actually, let me reopen it. Okay. And usually once you open the application, you should see the health page. This is the home page of the app. And once you see it, tap on the device icon. And here on the list, you should see your Honor Choice watch. If your watch is paired with a phone, tap on it to select it. And now tap on the more options icon in the top right corner. And as you can see, the menu popped out, and here we have delete device option. Tap on it, tap on OK, and the watch will be removed from the app. We can also check the Bluetooth settings just in case. And it's gone, it's not here, so we can close the settings. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our watch. And that's how you unpair a watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.